If we had three modes, it is called trimodal. If four or more, it is called multimodal. Now, today we will be doing a manual computation for ungrouped mean, median, and mode. So let's start. And this is the data that we will be using. So first is n. How do we find n? Makuha po ang n sa pagbilang ng data points sa ating dataset. Data points are 40, so our n is 40. Next is mean, with the formula of summation of x over n. First step is add all of our data points with a total of 2,589. Using this formula, is divided by 40. Total is 64.73. And this is our mean, 64.73. Next is median. First is we will sort this data into ascending order. This is our sorted data in ascending order. Second is use this formula. 40 plus 1 over 2. 41 over 2 is equal to 20.5. So our median is in 20.5 value. So we're going to count. So starts here 2. So 20.5. It's between 61 to and 64. So next is we will be adding this to value. 61 plus 64 is equal to 5 and divided by 2. 125 divided 2 equal 62.5. This will be our median, 62.5. Last is mode. Mode is the repeated numbers. So we're going to find the repeated numbers in this data. Forty-one, 54, 55, 60, 78, and 88. This is our mode. 41, 54, 5, 60, 78, and 88. Your dataset is multimodal because we have four or more multimodal, six modes.
Good day, everyone. Once again, I am Mary Santos, and I am back to teach you the manual computation for mean, median, and mode for group data. The given example will be used throughout the entire tutorial. So let's say we have the data set in our FTT in group data, and we want to identify the mean, median, and mode. We will use the FDT in group data as our guide. But before anything else, let's start with finding the mean for group data. We will be using this formula wherein mean is equals to the summation of fx divided by the summation of f. So f stands for frequency, x stands for our midpoint or class mark, and fx is when we multiply the frequency and the class mark. So this is our FDT, wherein we will use as our guide in solving for the mean. So the first step is multiplying our frequency with our CF. So we have 6 times 93, and it will be equals to 558. Then 7 times 82, and it will be equals to 574. And we will do the exact same process with the following. So after we got the total of the fx, we will do the summation of fx. So we add it all together. We will have 2,587 in our scientific calculator. And after we got the summation of fx, we will divide it by n, or our f, which is 40. The total number of frequencies equals to 40. So we will divide it by 40. So we have 2,587 divided by 40, and it will be equals to 64.675, but we will round it up. So it will be equals to 64.68. So now our mean is equals to 64.68. So the next step is finding for the mode. So finding for the mode is the easiest one. So we're just gonna check our array. We will find the most frequently repeating number. So we have 88, 78, 60, 55, and 41, which is repeated 2 times. So we have 88, 78, 60, 55, and 41 as our mode for this example. When getting the median for group data, these three columns will be used, which are the classes, frequency, and greater than cumulative frequency, or our CF. We will also use the formula written below. So we have median is equals to LB, or lower boundary, plus open and close parenthesis, n divided by 2 minus CF divided by F, for our frequency. So in order to get all the numbers for this formula, we need to locate the median class first. And in locating median class, we first need to perform the n divided by 2, which is 40 divided by 2, and it will be equals to 20. So after getting the half of the n, we're going to look for the lowest cumulative frequency greater than 40. And in this case, it will be 21. So this row is now will be our median class, in which we will get all the numbers that is needed to get the median. So now we need to substitute all this to the formula. So our LB will be 55 minus 0.5, and it will be equals to 54.5. Then it will be, and then we will be adding it with our open and close parenthesis 40 divided by 2, which is 20, minus our CF, CF will be equals to 13. 6 years siya na dun. And then close parenthesis divided by frequency, which is 8. So I already wrote the process below. I will explain it to you. So we already got 54.5 plus open and close parenthesis 20 minus 13 and divided by 8. Then we have 54.5 plus 7 divided by 8. We will have 54.5 plus 0.088 from this. And then our median will be 55.38. So this is all. We have median, mean, and mode. We have 55.38, 64.68, and then we have 88, 78, 60, 55, and 41. This is all for our mean, median, and mode for